Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Thrustmaster T98 Ferrari to a PC. Start by making the hardware connections. Take the pedal set and plug it into the RJ12 port located on the back or bottom of the wheelbase. Next, connect the USB-C end of the cable into the wheelbase and plug the USB end directly into a USB port on your computer. It is better to avoid USB hubs or extensions because they can cause connection issues or unstable performance. After the hardware is connected, you need to switch the wheel to PC mode. Press and hold the mode button or the view button depending on your version for about 5 seconds until the LED starts flashing. While still holding the button, use the D-pad on the wheel to select the green LED color, which represents PC mode. Once the green light is selected, release the button. Now unplug the USB cable from the PC and plug it back in again to confirm the setting. The LED should stay green, showing that the wheel is now correctly set to PC mode and ready for use. At this point, your wheel is connected and ready. You may still need to open your game and adjust controller settings. Thanks for watching.